इन्वेस्टमेंट 85% ओडिया बंधु माने कले सेथिपाई देशर प्रधानमंत्री सबुबले कहूथिले आमे जेतबले जाउथिलु मु भाबुची काहाकु बुझिबारे असुविधा हबो सेई कथाटा पुणी मो हिंदी रे कहि देबी कारण इंग्लिश रे कहिले बेले बेले मनर कथाटा कहि होएनी जेतबले हमको कहूथिले कि बड़ बड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब बिग इन्वेस्टमेंट will take time to change the demography of Odisha. But if you people will try, the small investment can make you beautiful in small times. So many of you must have visited Odisha many times. Many of you must try to do some business with in Odisha with your money, but that time may not permit you to do some business with Odisha government. But as the CS told you, and our Chief Minister and Prime Minister कल सब लोग ने बोल के गए हैं विकास और विरासत दोनों को मिलाना होगा। ओडिशा हैज द पोटेंशियलिटी। मुझे लगती है कि मैं 7 महीने में मुझे जेके महांती हमेशा आते हैं मेरे पास, शिकायत करते हैं आप टूरिज्म को जितना टाइम देना चाहिए, जितना फोकस देना चाहिए, वो टाइम आप नहीं दे पा रही हैं। मैं बोली थी कि मैं आई एम द मिनिस्टर ऑफ टूरिज्म, मैं कभी भी टूरिस्ट के नाते कभी कहीं घूमा नहीं। ये 7 महीने में मैंने वर्ल्ड टूर मार गई, लंदन, एडिनबर्ग, स्कॉटलैंड। आई हैव विजिटेड many places like Shillong in Meghalaya. I have visited Assam. I have visited Jaipur to see the heritage tourism there. I have seen the man-made lakes, the town of man-made lakes, Udaipur there. And now where we have visited, we are just searching what better they can do. Once I told my officers, that time DC Onugorg is with me, and my total team, like my secretary, my director, my all of the staffs is with me. I asked them after the visiting total London for 3 days, why the tourists are coming to London and why not to Odisha? They told we have lot of potentialities, but the marketing style is high in London. We fail in that. We cannot show off our marketing. So in that way, we have here in Prabasi Bharatiya Divas, we have seen lot of potentiality persons in hospitality. And we have seen there in London Bridge, in the cruise there in London, I see one comedian and magician makes lot of funds so that tourist is coming line by line to make an half-hour fun with them. Some magicians standing and doing magics in the roadside so that people are attracted. But in Odisha, we have lot of potentialities by blessing of Lord Jagannath. We have not created much. The sea, 500 kilometers sea beach, we have not created. The dense forest of Similpal, we have not created. We have not created the highest peak, Devamali. We have not created the Bhitarkanika. What we are going to see in Konark Sun Temple, we have not created. The forefathers who have created that. And the temples of Mukteshwar, temples of Lord Jagannath, Prabhu Lingaraj, Bindu Sagar, everywhere, Rajarani temple, there is a lot of heritage site. Though we are not created, I think we are not marketing it properly. So we can show it. When we sit together in London, we see a file where the Orissa is the best kept secret. So then we people decide, so this is the time. So we people decide और सीक्रेट को रखना नहीं, इस बार सीक्रेट को खोलना है। तो इस बार हम लोगों ने एक एक पन्ना, जैसे 6 प्लेस में हम लोगों का इको रिट्रीट चल रहा है, पुटसिल में है, सोनापुर में है, दारिंगीबाड़ी में है, भीतरकनिका में है। देयर आर highest is in Konark is famous for that eco retreat. Now eco retreat is going on houseful. So I think this is the proper time for the caravan tourism, for the adventure tourism, for the medical tourism, for the spiritual tourism, what we are going to enjoy with Odisha. And I am here asking Mr. Balwant, what is with that Thailand, Malaysia? What not in Orissa? Why people, Orissa people is going there for the tourism sake, and why they are not staying here? So he told me, वहाँ पे खुलासा है, लोग मजा मस्ती कर रही हैं। उड़ीसा में शायद वो लोग वही हम लोग फ्रीडम नहीं दे पा रही हैं। तो मुझे लगती है कि उड़ीसा को देखने के बाद आज एक टूरिज्म मिनिस्टर यहाँ पे जितना जैसे पीपल इन्वॉल्वमेंट डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए, आज तक यहाँ पे जो है वो नेचर के हिसाब से है, भगवान का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है, और जो कुछ कर रहा है सरकार कर रहा है। सरकार इतना नहीं कर पाएगा जितना पब्लिक सेक्टर कर पाएंगे। तो नाउ इज द टाइम, ऑल सीक्रेट of the Orissa tourism is going to open for you, and you people will make it the beautiful one. You come, invest, and make Orissa is the place where you can get the blessing of Lord Jagannath, Prabhu Lingaraj. You can go to the Buddhist corridor, enjoy the Buddhist stupas, caves, and the mental peace there in Shanti Stup, Dhauli, and everything. You can see the Nalwan of Chilika Lake, 10 lakhs above birds in different colors in 2-3 months. We are going to decide to take some museums, in bird museums, the museums in Koraput. We have visited 2-3 days to Koraput. Really, I never see such a beautiful area. In that Kolab reservoir, there is the highest hills, but none of the MU is for that Koraput, Malkanagiri, that people have the spending capacity of more, and that is the connectivity what we talk with our Chief Secretary. If we will develop the connectivity, the Kolab river, we have that land that is owned by government, no hesitation for you to go that forest land, any problem. There is the clear cut land there, and Kolab river is there. If you will develop caravan tourism there, if you will develop their hoteliers for the small hotel groups, those who are trying to start up business, I think the boat houses, the boat houses in Chilka. People tell me that in Kerala, there are a lot of boat houses. So people go there, enjoy boat house, but we have one. So lake is big, boat is one. So that it is open for you, you people come and do the houseboating there, so that people can enjoy that Iceland, that Satpura, the dolphin, the peaceful areas, the seafoods, the maritime museums, everything is there. I hope you will, when you came here, you must have finalized something in your mind. ये अच्छे बिजनेसमैन होते हैं जो आते आते चलते चलते मन बदलते हैं। अगर आप लोग इधर कोई दूसरे काम के लिए, इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए आए थे, अगर टूरिज्म सेक्टर के लिए आपका मन में कुछ बदलापन आ रही है, तो मुझे लगती है कि टूरिज्म का प्रोग्रेस के लिए दिस टाइम इज द राइट टाइम। हम लोग आपको ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस में आपको सहज बिजनेस करने देंगे, आपको लैंड भी देंगे, सब्सिडी भी देंगे, और जो जो बॉटलनेक आपको रोकता है इन्वेस्टमेंट से, आज मंत्री के नाते, राज्य के उप मुख्यमंत्री के नाते मैं आश्वस्त करती हूँ, आप सब लोगों का पैसा की, आप सब लोगों के समय की, आप सब लोगों की व्यवसाय की हम लोगों को कदर है। हम लोग विश्वास करते हैं कि आप लोगों के साथ ही उड़ीसा की विकास हो सकती है। उड़ीसा की विकास करने के लिए आप सब हमको सहयोग करें, हम भी आपको सहयोग करने के लिए तैयार है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।